You arrive before dawn. The sky is flat and colorless. Cold air clings to your skin as someone hands you a rough tunic that doesn't fit. No one explains anything. You are given a number, stitched crookedly into your sleeve, and directed down a narrow stone corridor where boots echo in uneven rhythm. You learn quickly, speak less, move when told. The bell controls everything. Rise, pray, drill, eat, drill again, sleep. The bread is hard, the water metallic. You hold a shield while another man strikes it, again and again, until your arms shake. No one tells you to stop. When you finally fail, someone replaces you without a word. Days blur into one. The walls never warm. Your hands crack. You stop noticing. After years, your number becomes a name again. You're given better armor, still worn, but closer to your size. A man above you dies, and you take his place. No ceremony, just more responsibility. You check rations, inspect weapons, correct others. Your voice changes, flatter, firmer. You give orders the way you once received them. By the 5th year, you sit at a table with parchment and candlelight. You record numbers, grain, steel, coin. There are always small gaps. A late shipment becomes on time. A missing crate is adjusted into the count. You learn the system prefers consistency over truth. You stop calling it lying. Time moves in quiet promotions. 10 men become 50. You no longer endure the drills. You enforce them. When someone falters, you don't remember your own weakness. Only the standard. There are written rules, and others that are never spoken. Don't question superiors publicly. Don't escalate problems that can be buried. Keep reports clean. Clean reports keep the system stable. At 10 years, you move inward. The corridors are quieter here. You have a small room, a desk. You write directives now. Your words pass through others, but they remain diluted. You approve reduced rations for distant posts. Expected losses, 2%. Acceptable. A letter arrives from someone you once knew. The handwriting feels distant. You read it once, then file it where it doesn't belong. Later, you forget where. Your thoughts change. Shorter. Controlled. You begin to think in reports. Clear, neutral, without excess. You stop dreaming. At 15 years, you sit in rooms where decisions are made. Maps spread across tables. Villages reduced to markers. A route passes through one. It is noted, then ignored. The route remains. No one argues. There is no anger. Only process. Later, alone in the corridor, something shifts. Not sudden, just absence. You see it clearly. The system does not need you. It shapes you. Every decision you make is the only one that fits. Even resistance would be corrected, replaced. You are not directing the system. You are maintaining it. At 20 years, your duties shrink. Others take your place. They write like you, speak like you, adjust numbers like you. You are consulted less than not at all. Your final directive is brief. It transfers your responsibilities. The wording is familiar. You leave with less than you brought. Outside, the air feels wide but empty. No bell, no orders, no structure. Behind you, the doors close. Inside, nothing changes. The drills continue. The ledgers fill. The numbers align. Someone new stands where you once stood, holding the shield, arms beginning to shake. The system continues, precise and indifferent, as if you were never there.